Ross's Kitchen. Ediani Pankwa.
Hi lovely people, you welcome to Dr. Rose's Kitchen. So today I'm gonna show you how to prepare all-purpose pies. Okay, so stay tuned and subscribe. So I have my star anise, my bay leaf. I'll write all the ingredients on your screen for you. Okay, so the ingredients I'm showing you is to let you know the name or the type of the spice I'm using, but not this quantity. The quantity you can use quantity of your choice. Okay, I use the quantity of my choice, but this is to show you. Okay, I actually added more off camera and I blended. Okay, so just do this and thank me later. So after you blend it, you can sieve it, and if you don't want to sieve it, you can just transfer it straight to your spice storage or your spice container. Trust me, this is so amazing and it smells so nice. Do this and thank me later. Okay, subscribe, like, share, follow for more and amazing interesting recipe. My name is Dr. Rosie. Thank you. See you next time in my video. Bye bye.
Dr. Ross's Kitchen. Ediani Pankwa. Ross's Kitchen. Ediani Pie. Dr. Ross's Kitchen. Ediani Pankwa. Ross's Kitchen. Ediani Pie. We go give you all the vibes. We go make your food so nice. Even if you don't know